Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Restic for encrypted VPS backup workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey with Restic, first, ensure that you have a VPS set up and accessible. Next, access your VPS via SSH using a terminal on your local machine. Once you are logged in, check if your package manager is up to date. If you are using Ubuntu or Debian, you can update the package list by running the command sudo apt update. For CentOS or RHEL, use the command sudo yum check update. Now, you need to install Restic. If you're on Ubuntu or Debian, install Restic by running sudo apt install Restic. For CentOS, you may need to enable the EPL repository first. After enabling EPL, execute the command sudo yum install Restic. If you are using a different distribution, visit the Restic GitHub page for installation instructions tailored to your system. Once installed, check if Restic is functioning correctly by typing Restic version. Next, choose a secure location to store your repository. You can create a new directory for your backup using the command dir/mybackup. Now, set up your encryption key by generating a password. Use the command restic init repo/mybackup. You will be prompted to enter a password. Make sure to choose a strong one that you can remember. After the repository is initialized, you can start backing up your files. Identify which files or directories you wish to back up. Use the command restic backup/path/ to /your/files repo/mybackup. Monitor the backup process in the terminal. Once the backup is complete, you can verify it by running restic snapshots repo/mybackup. To restore files, use the command restic restore latest repo/mybackup. Follow the on-screen prompts to select the files you wish to restore. Remember to safeguard your repository password to maintain the security of your backup. Consider setting up automated backups to ensure your files are consistently protected. You can achieve this by creating a cron job that schedules regular backup commands. In this way, you can keep your encrypted backup workflow streamlined and efficient. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.